So next on we have Fawad as your report, convener report, your LOC report.
So hello everybody, I'm Fawad from PAN, the member of local organizing committee led by Dr. Jameel, and the co-chair is basically Dr. Naveed Tahir, and my team member is also Waqas Masood. So what are the LLC operations for organizing this APAN58? Basically, we've submitted the proposal in APAN56, Colombo, August 2023. It was then announced to the community that on APAN57, Bangkok, February 2024. Then the activities all started in February 2024. So the first major activity was to choose the venue. We have serviced multiple sites, but as per the requirement of the APAN, Serena Hotel was the best venue in terms of the parallel session facilities and all the requirement that the APAN sessions. Shamadan 1, 2, 3 was used with the different capacities as mentioned. Faisalabad was used as a boardroom, and we are happy that it was a full boardroom sessions were conducted in Faisalabad. Kekasha 1, 2, 3 was also used in this meeting, APAN58. Sheesh Mahal was, as you know, that it was used for lunch and opening ceremonies, classroom preliminaries. So these are the rundown of the sessions that was held in different days. As you have already seen what are the sessions were conducted and how many sessions were conducted. So in terms of the bandwidth that we have provided, one of the tradition of the APAN in the last, not couple of years, but few years, that we extend the ED room service to APAN venue. Basically, we also provided the ED room facility here in Serena Hotel, and we are also thankful the hotel management that they allowed us to extend this ED room facility on their network. So 1G link we have dropped here at the venue, and the peak was observed at the third day, which is 550 Mbps was recorded. Around, it is more than 550 actually, was recorded on the third day of the conference. More than 125 users were connected from the ED room. Other than the other participants were connected from the guest SSID. So APAN58 website was operational on March 2024. That was the first thing that has to be published for the community to see the updates of what is going on in the APAN. What are the important dates, what are the call for papers, proposals, fellowship programs. So all for that, the APAN website we have designed, and it was up in March 2024. So that was APAN website, apan58.apan.net. So the registration point of view, we have received 21 early bird registration, foreign registration as far as concerned. 21 early bird registration, standard registration was 4 after the expiry of the early bird registration, which was 20th July 2024. Fellowship program, we have 22 fellows were successfully accepted for the fellow. Virtual APAN registration was, I think, one of the better virtual APAN registrations, user participation of 52 basically. Local registration basically PAN funded was 120 users, 120 participant PAN staff, which is 30, and invited speakers, that was 8 invited speakers. In overall, 205 physical participation and 52 over online. So we are very, very thankful for the community, and we are very grateful for these countries, participants who trusted or believe on PAN Pakistan and come here for the APAN58, Australia, Bhutan, Denmark, Japan, Malaysia, Mongolia, Nepal, Oman, Philippines, obviously Pakistan, but USA also. So these are the countries where the participant traveled to Pakistan. So there were challenges, but under the leadership of the LOC, we had three major, divided the challenge, took the challenge of the APAN58 in three ways. We have to maximize the local registration program. We had a very good, outreach to universities through social media, through website, through letters and distributions. So we maximize the local registration program, convince and outreach the sponsors also, because a very big sponsorship required to have this mega event. So we outreach the sponsors also. We extended the local and financial facilitation for foreign participation also, and keynotes. So we provided at the as per the requirement of the foreign participant, we have provided the local and financial facilitations also. So this was the fourth thing. Facilitations for foreign participation, especially we put a help desk at the airports for the facilitation, so that they can have our first reception at the airport from APAN58 for further guidance. Pick and drop facility were provided. Arrangement for trips, marketplaces were also being arranged. This was also for the local hospitality purpose. On the request, we also provided the local arrangements as per the request. So the biggest success was counted when you have ceremonies like opening ceremony. We had participants, 250 participants, though they are also included the participants who are invited for the opening ceremonies above the 255 that I had showed you. So 250 plus participants joined at the opening ceremony. We have a grace by the Chair Senate, Syed Yusuf Raza Gilani, through which a very good national coverage in more than 10 media outlets because of the participation of such a high-profile chief guest. Three keynote speaker, Eric, Dr. Ismail and Rio were part of this keynote panel. So these are some of the glimpses of the opening ceremony. Then the conference plenary, again, it was rated as one of the good success. I believe we had get the not only the good feedback from the local participants, but also from the online participants also. So 2 keynote speakers and 1 industry participation. Dr. Raza, Dr. Madhusanke and Zafres from Lenovo had participated in the keynote. And the closing ceremony, the title is basically closing ceremony. We have Alex, Dr. Sinji, and Dr. Imran had participated in the closing plenary. Social dinner, 2 social dinners were held, as Asita told you. The one RANS dinner was also held for the RANS leader. And other than that, for the all participants, opening and closing dinner were held. One at Sarina with culture night also, and one is the Highland Country Club, Margilla Hills. I hope you enjoyed yesterday at the Margilla Hills. So these were the glimpses of the some social activities. A very big thanks to our sponsor. Without their support, it was never been possible. Partnered by Huawei, which is who has supported us as a partner. Gold partner TMC, Comtel, DWP. Silver sponsor was APAN58, Lenovo, PTCL. Bronze partner was Apnic and Transworld. Another, basically, I forgot to mention the logo, but NRTC also is part of this bronze partnership. Note of thanks, especially to APAN Secretariat, who always been very supportive. Like friends, they all, right from the start, they supported, guided us in every step, each and every step, always available. So very thankful. We are thankful for APAN Secretariat. Technical committee led by Jamie, these are the sessions that we conducted through right from the very start of the APAN 57. They were very helpful to what was the audio, video, network, website, everything discussed in every meeting. So they were very helpful. Program committee to finalize the agenda, participants and everything. So they are very helpful program committee members. And PAN committee also, they were very helpful in giving the motivations and all that. Local and community universities, without their support, it could be never be possible in the history. So they supported us. And especially thanks to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, because of the fact that many of the requests came for the urgent visa or something like that. So Ministry of Foreign Affairs on the single message, on the weekends, on the nights, or whatever, they take the action and granted the visa on our request. So very special thanks to Ministry of Foreign Affairs also. So next APAN is APAN59 is in Japan, Yokohama. So I believe it will be another success. So I wish best of luck to them. And thank you.